What's up guys? What's up vlogs? Welcome to my guys. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Welcome to Sam's Vlogs again. Ito po tayo, magluluto po tayo ng pinakbet. Yeah. So we have these ingredients: kamatis, luya, and sibuyas. We have talong, green chili, malunggay, bunga ng malunggay. And we have this bunga ng singkamas. And the green peas, tayo awagan mitikardes ako. And also nagblans ako ng palang. Yan, so yan po lahat. And also of course meron tayong natira dito na from Costco, recycle na lang po natin ito. Yan, that's the it. Okay, come on guys, let's do it. Alright guys, so ito, painitin natin tong palayo. Yan. Then of course, lagyan na natin yan ng mantika. Ang mainit na. Yan. There you go. Then, gisa na po natin to. Yan. Gisa-gisa na natin. Yan. Doon natin yung luya. And then of course sibuyas. Yan. Isa natin. Yan. And after that, next would be the tomato. There you go. Yan. Daming tomatoes. May gulay. Napakasarap. Yan. And of course, siganta tibugoong, but before that, igisa natin ng konting patis. Yan. Patis natin si Squid Brand fish sauce. Baka naman. Yan. And then takpan po natin. Oops. Takpan. Yan. Balikan ka namin in 5 minutes. Yan, so 5 minutes. Tingnan po natin siya. Itong kamatis na nabili ko, hindi siya ganong hinog pa guys. It's not that much ripe yet. So sabi nila pagka ganito raw ang kamatis mo is maasim, so we'll see. Hopefully not. Mas maasim pa sa kilig-kilig ko ito guys. Yan. Wait another 5 minutes. Okay guys, take a look at it again one more time. Pwede na yan. So lagay natin ngayon yung karne. Gisa din natin yung karne. With that, kasto po si dami dito yung away. Ayan. Ganyan po ang buhay namin dito. isa. Yan. Isa natin ng kontihan karne, and then after that, of course, unahin natin itong mga matitigas. Ito, yung talong, and also this one here. Ito, yung kardis. Yan po. Ang kardis. Wow. Okay, so yan. Tingnan natin ulit. Oh, wow. Bango. Now, next we'll put the lagay na natin itong call it. Ay, sorry. Yan. Isa na natin yan. That's the green peas, or sa Ilocano is cardes. Yan. And also, lagay na rin natin ito, guys. Ayan. Malunggay. Ayan. Dami. Kasasarap. Yan. So, halo-haloin lang natin. Yan. Bango na. And also, we'll put the gonna put now the arthritis medicine. Medicine po ng arthritis ko to eh. Talong, the eggplant. Yan. And then this should be the last part na ilalagay natin. Yan. Yung bunga ng singkamas and bunga ng patola or patula. What you call it. Yan. So, ganyan lang po siya. Takpan po natin ulit para maluto yung talong. And then probably another 5-10 minutes we'll take a look. So, let's take a look after 5 minutes again. 5 minutes lang yan. 5-minute cooking. Mukhang okay na yung talong. Yan. Pwede na natin ilagay yung the rest of the gulay. Yan. Unahin na natin to. Yan. Sarap. Sarap ng pagkaberde, oh. Yan. And also this one. The chili, green chili. Yan. And then last na ilagay natin, sekreto ng mga gwapo. Ito. Yan. And this is the garlic salt. Yan. By Lores. Okay. Baka naman. Then of course, takpan natin yan. Yan. And lagyan natin ng konting tubig pala. Baka mamaya eh. Yan. Konting-konti lang para masarap yung pakbet natin. Yan. And of course, takpan ulit natin yan. And also yung mani, parang pwede na yung mani. May mani pa on the side. Alright guys, let's take a look at it. This is the 10-minute cooking of pinakbet. Okay na po siya. That's all it. Once again, this is Sam's Vlog. Please like, share, and subscribe. As I said, if I can do it, you can do it too. We all can do it. God bless you all. Bye-bye.